Hi, this is Mia. Back to my left. Oh, what is that? Whoa! That cloud is like almost like it was swooped down. I thought it was my thumb in the way. Front and let's see, right side. I have this vehicle on the side of the road. I better drink some waters because it's wet out. Doesn't mean I don't need a drink. This proved to be not good last time. Fell over. Oh my gosh, I did see stuff swooping. The rain or the clouds or the fog or... Well, that was creepy. It was like everything like went... It doesn't seem that windy out. Oh God, this coat is wet. I need a paper towel. I'm trying to think about putting you on my coat. Coat number 2. I got it. I'll put you on my hat. Let's see if that works. No miracles today. I have no miracles with trying to figure out how to prop this. Not one miracle. Not one, guys. Let's put it in. So now I can't see what it could see. This is Mia getting real without any background sound. I had the news on about Afghanistan, and I thought it was rude that I'm like, oh, I know. I keep thinking about my Afghan blanket. That reminds me of the stuff I get from Grandma, and I'm sitting here to myself thinking, let's honor Afghanistan by going to get these blankets washed at the laundromat tonight. Well, that's kind of rude. Alright, so I'm going up 15 minutes, maybe, yeah, 15 to 20 minutes up the road. It's 8:45 a.m. I forgot to write in my journal where I went. I didn't talk to the other employee. You know what? You're going in the window. I cannot even tell if you can even see anything, but this could be the most... Oh my gosh, I cannot see the traffic coming by. People haven't got their lights on. It's getting dark. I can't see. There's grass growing up. Oh my God. There's a ton of traffic. Like, I'm not talking about a little bit of traffic. There's like there's the other guy. There is I might end up going right then left, guys, because there is a monster monsoon. And I can't, usually I put the windows down, you know, so I could see. I'm not able to do that because there's no power windows and I cannot reach the thingy. I'll do it on this side. I'll get drenched. So I could see better up outside. Oh my God. I can't sit here all day. Oh, that guy's turning. Dang it. Dang it. That was my chance. Oh my God. Really? Alright, this is it. Oh. It's 40 miles an hour here, but it doesn't mean much to the regular people, you know? 40 miles an hour. I'll go from 50 to 40. I need it on maximum. Sometimes I take the back way out. I gotta go home. I said it would be a miracle if I get home by 11. When you keep missing the free bread place. irritating me that I'm not home to take care of this stuff that I need to take care of. And I don't want to have somebody else just take the burden from something that I want, to do in my life. And that's how I feel right now. But I guess we're experimenting, or there's some kind of experimentation with give and take. When I have time, energy, and money, I want to contribute. And when I don't, I'm learning to ask. But I don't want anyone to feel obligated, and that's the problem with people that are people pleasers or too big of heart. I think my boyfriend has too big a heart, but it's been hurt so many times to be thinking of me being hardened. And you let it out, and then somebody's treating you bad. Like you're vulnerable. It's like you gotta put like a cage around it, like those lights. And they, what's he saying? Woo! Gymnasium. I can't say anything. Oh my god. It was supposed to happen at 11. Well, maybe I was looking at my time. I thought it said 11 a.m. and later was going to do it. 8:50. Woo! God, I thought it was 100. Oh no, last week you saw me. I didn't post it. The thunderstorm, thunder and lightning storm. Golly jeepers. I got the Biden and the Tim. Like Walgreens and Eco sign on their Toyota Road, Black Lives Matter, peace sign, people like that. Or they could have it as Bureau of Land Management. Someone get my land. This little nugget there. BLM land. I need some. We need reconciliation. There's no reconciliation. Oh no, they gotta cut the grass in the dark. Man, let their boss send you home. Dang. Let the boss send you home. But I feel like he's in what you call it, a tractor, or like enclosed situation. Alright, let's see. I already got my vegetables. There's only fruit here. Corn, peaches, squash, cucumber, zucchini, melons, peaches, I say that. Tomatoes. It's like literally fruit. I need a vegetable. I need a leafy thing. Good football. Well, that's weird. Somebody at work, this white lady was calling us back in the car. He said, "What do you have for lunch today?" I just football. She doesn't say it like that, but whenever I think of it, I don't think of it as derogatory. I just think, that was nice. I think he was Hindu. I'm not sure he But the only bad part it was, it stuck in my head because the white person kept saying that every day. Kind of. Maybe she thought it was such the way we said it, the accent. But I just, when I say it, I'm doing it out of like, all my mind is thinking of stuff. You need your vegetables, you need healthy, you need your vitamin C, you need iron, you need the fiber, you need vitamin A, vitamin A. So you can't tell people to do stuff if they're on blood thinners. You're not going to tell them to take vitamin A. If they're on a lot of other factors. If someone is got kidney failure, congestive heart failure, you're not supposed to go tell them to drink a bunch of water. Oh, just drink. The other people just say, drink water, do this, do that, you'll be healthy, do this, do that, eat less, blah, blah, blah. And you're need to eat more. Maybe their metabolism is shot like mine. That person got stuck out in the rain. Yo. Check yo. Weather apps, man. And maybe they did. Maybe they saw that 11 o'clock. They thought they could get out before the storm came in. But wait, what about that hurricane? I don't think it's a hurricane. A tropical storm. This might be it. Coming out from the south, which is an earthquake in Haiti. And nobody talking about that. What? This is what I want. I want my private jet. I want my mansion house. I want my sailboat and my motorboat and my fishing boat and my waterman's boat. It's gonna be a waterwoman's boat. I want. Why do I want this stuff? I want nice clothes that are super comfortable and flattering to my figure. I want, when there's like a hurricane or earthquake, I want to get on my jet and go to these places with medical supplies and a team of members that can get their credits, continuing education, and what you call it when you volunteer, preceptor observation hours, birth hours. I just go to a place and do the whole 9 yards. The portable Mia hospital. Get all the lights, all the labs, all the births and stuff. And just boom, boom, boom. Like, go to a crowded place that's having a problem and the rest of the world ignores, and just help as many people as you can every day for how many days, and go back and respite. Do it again. Just like deploy. I'm in the Maryland Respond Corps. People never called me once. Please, guys, come on. I said I was a doctor and they put me as a cook. It's alternate skills, but that's not that's an alternate skill. I was like, well, there might be a lot of people trying to get the medical job since it's called medical response. I want to help as much as I can. And so if there is an earthquake or disaster or this or that, it's going to be, you know what I mean? There's going to be all hands on deck. Stomach's growling. I just ate a Larabar and some grapes. I don't need to eat. I just have a stomach ache. So I had to finish my timesheet. Me and my partner and my kids need help. And people wonder why we do so much. It's because we're underpaid and overworked, and we don't have family, we don't have friends. And we're going to compete with people that have everything handed to them. I noticed that people that have this huge support network with all these people helping and blah, blah, blah. It's like, they just get more and more and more help. It's like, oh man, I need help. Cut my toenail, I can't find the nail, and I'm like, need help finding it under the couch. Like, everyone runs to their help. Like, I would be like, help, my kids and I are about to drown in a flash flood. Like, that's literally happened twice at least. Oh, nobody's available. Sorry. Life threatening. Too bad. And it makes you want to have all those jets and stuff and just enjoy your life, play instead of bending over backwards for free. And it's sad to think just to go out of the country. Like, people in this country need a lot of help. Like, I personally think they should not give all that money to families. A lot of those families get a ton of resources that we don't qualify for when we don't have dependent children or children under 17 or under. A lot of things, from food stamps to temporary welfare to housing, even housing period. Oh, you're single male or single female, too bad. Live on the street. Oh, you have a child. Well, maybe we can find some. Or, too bad, we're gonna snatch your kid to foster care. It's like so. Like, I feel like the homeless and the people that are on the brink of homelessness, it's not like, oh, you're such and such, you're making under 400,000, oh, you get this. Oh, you're making over 200,000 or under 100,000, this, and this. I must have a class or something. Tells you to just not do anything. Like, I'm gonna go up here and go to where the sunk boat was. Whew, my breathing, I've been like feeling like congested with my we did a lot of cleaning. No, we did a lot of moving stuff and dusty stuff from under the bed. Thank God there wasn't any more junk crammed under there. There was at one time, a couple of times. I had decluttered down there. What's this wheel there? Yeah. In the middle of the street. Oh, it's to one of those things. I'm not even driving down there. There's too many cars. Alright, I'll drive down there. There's still too many cars, I'm not gonna lie. I never see them park like this. Like, all backed up. This must be a good day for cramming. Oh, that storm was little, huh? Like, storm's on, go home. Well, I stayed extra yesterday. I gotta go home today so I can come back tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. I still make less than the unemployment cut off working all those days. People are like, how do you work and have unemployment? It's like, well, looking at that person, like, that just tells me one thing, that you probably make at least twice as much as me per hour. Let's put it that way. Or you work twice as many hours for me at the same rate. Oh, this boat is still sunken. And why is this boat still sunk? Why are those life jackets like that? Why? It's none of my business. Nobody's paying me to answer those questions. I'm gonna call my friend.